Stop saving money. Do this instead to build wealth faster. We've all been told to save, save, save. It's the cornerstone of financial responsibility, right? While saving is important, it's a myth that simply hoarding cash in a savings account is the key to building substantial wealth. In fact, in today's economic climate, saving alone can actually hinder your progress towards financial freedom. Why? Because inflation is silently eroding the value of your savings. Your hard-earned money is slowly losing its purchasing power, meaning you're falling behind without even realizing it. So what should you do instead? Stop focusing solely on saving and start focusing on building assets. Here's how. 1. Invest, don't just save. Instead of letting your money sit idle in a low-interest savings account, put it to work. Investing is the key to growing your wealth exponentially over time. Stocks represent ownership in companies and offer the potential for significant growth. While they come with risk, the long-term returns historically outweigh the risks. Bonds represent loans to governments or corporations and offer a more stable, but generally lower, return than stocks. Real estate can provide both rental income and appreciation in value. Index funds, ETF. These low-cost, diversified investment vehicles track a broad market index like the S&P 500 and provide instant diversification, reducing risk. Investing allows your money to grow through compounding. Compounding means earning returns on your initial investment and on the returns you've already earned. Over time, this can create a snowball effect, accelerating your wealth accumulation. Research different investment options and choose those that align with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Start small and gradually increase your investment contributions over time. Consider automating your investments to make it easier to stay consistent. 2. Develop high-income skills. Instead of just saving what you earn, focus on earning more in the first place. Your income is your greatest wealth-building tool. By developing in-demand skills, you can significantly increase your earning potential. Digital marketing. In today's digital world, businesses are constantly seeking skilled marketers. Learn SEO, social media marketing, content marketing, or email marketing. Programming, coding. Software developers are in high demand across all industries. Data analysis. The ability to analyze and interpret data is becoming increasingly valuable. Sales. Persuasion and sales skills are always in demand, regardless of the industry. Project management. Skilled project managers are essential for successfully completing complex projects. By increasing your income, you have more money to invest and accelerate your wealth-building journey. Furthermore, developing valuable skills can lead to career advancement and greater job security. Identify skills that are in demand in your industry or in the broader job market. Take online courses, attend workshops, or pursue certifications to develop those skills. 3. Start a side hustle. Don't rely solely on your primary income. Explore opportunities to generate additional income through side hustles. Freelancing. Offer your skills on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Online store. Sell products online through platforms like Etsy or Shopify. Affiliate marketing. Promote other people's products and earn a commission on sales. Online courses. Create and sell online courses based on your expertise. Delivery services. Deliver food or groceries for companies like DoorDash or Uber Eats. Side hustles provide an additional source of income that can be used to accelerate your savings and investments. They also allow you to explore your passions and develop entrepreneurial skills. Identify your skills and interests and brainstorm potential side hustle ideas. Start small and gradually scale your side hustle as you gain experience and confidence. 4. Invest in yourself. Don't underestimate the power of investing in yourself. This includes education. Continue learning and expanding your knowledge base. Health. Prioritize your physical and mental health. Networking. Build relationships with people who can support your goals. Personal development. Work on improving your mindset, skills, and habits. Investing in yourself increases your value in the job market, improves your earning potential, and enhances your overall well-being. A healthy, well-educated, and well-connected individual is more likely to achieve financial success. Dedicate time and resources to self-improvement. Read books, attend workshops, join professional organizations, and prioritize your health and well-being. 5. Automate your finances. Once you've developed a solid financial plan, automate as much as possible to make it easier to stay on track. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. Automate investments. Automate your investment contributions to ensure you're consistently investing in your future. Automate bill payments. Set up automatic bill payments to avoid late fees and maintain a good credit score. Automation removes the temptation to procrastinate or make impulsive decisions. It makes it easier to stick to your financial plan and achieve your goals. Review your finances and identify areas where you can automate. Set up automatic transfers and bill payments to simplify your financial life. Saving money is a good start, but it's not enough to build significant wealth. To truly accelerate your wealth-building journey, you need to focus on investing, developing high-income skills, starting a side hustle, investing in yourself, and automating your finances. Stop simply saving and start actively building assets to create a secure and prosperous future. It's time to take control of your financial destiny.